All right, guys, 2021 Toyota Tundra. Lifted, black wheels, black everything. Lifted by Brian Motorsports. See, EMS. It's a famous company here in Nashville, Brian's Motorsports. So they did a nice lift kit on this truck. Nice wheels and tire setup. I like it. It's clean. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got factory converters, 4 of them. One here, secondary there, secondary there. And then usually it wires into a single muffler. The stock factory muffler is dual in, single out. We cut that off, added an elbow in, and replaced it with a Borla ProXS. Our good friends at Borla in Johnson City, Tennessee. So there it is, dual in, dual out, Borla ProXS. And it's got a built-in notch with a X-pipe built into the muffler. Makes these trucks sound really, really nice. We're gonna let you guys hear it in a second, so don't worry. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes go out the back on each side, right there and right there. And then we finished it off nicely with some chrome 4-inch roll tips by 18s. He didn't want to go too big. We just did the 4-inch instead of the 5-inch. There'll be a link in the description for them also. Right there and right there. As you guys can see, came out really nice, really clean. Just a nice little setup for it. There it is. Fits all the badging. I'm glad he went with the chrome tips on it. And there's the muffler that was on it and tailpipe. As you guys can see that we cut off. It's a dual in, single out. Muffler, like I was telling you guys, comes factory like that. And there's the tailpipe right there. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Here we go on this Tundra, guys. You ready to hear it? I am. Sounds good. The really nice thing about Borla is they don't drone too much inside. It's a clean, deep tone. Very minimal drone on them. So Borla, they do a great job at that. That sounds phenomenal. Here's sound decibels at idle. You guys can see at idle it's like 72, 73. That's my voice is louder than that. Gotta give it gas now. Right at 95 again. So it'll peak at about 100. When you're going down the road, it gets a little bit louder. Nice thing about Borla, when it's sitting still, you don't hear it too much. It's not overbearing if you have it in a garage or something. But when you get on it, you hear it. You guys can see. Yeah, I just hit 98. Again? Yes, it's gradually getting louder. That sounds really nice. Go ahead and back it out. You guys can see it's a really clean truck. I like it. Do you guys like this body style or the new body style with all the little bends and like curves and stuff? I like this truck better. It's more fitting for this truck. Here's our beautiful shop, guys. We're in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. If you guys ever need anything, give us a call or come on by. Very nice. Borla ProXS. There'll be a link in the description for it too, guys. Let me let you guys hear on the inside. Good looking truck. She sounds good now too. Enjoy, guys.